Now for our feature story of the day. PlanB, creator of the Bitcoin stock to flow model, predicts Bitcoin still on track to hit 100,000 this year in 2024, despite the early bull market. That's right. He also made a bunch of recent tweets suggesting Bitcoin could hit 4 million. I'm going to be breaking the time frame and all this fun stuff down for you. So here we go. Check it. Many market watchers and analysts are still betting that Bitcoin will hit 100,000 per coin before the end of this year. Let me know if you agree with that. With stock to flow model creator PlanB being amongst them. On Friday, he shared with his almost 2 million followers on X that Bitcoin bull market kicked off sooner than expected. Quoting him here, "The issue with the current Bitcoin bull market, in my opinion, it went into bull market too early," he explained. "Normally, the halvings, which are every 210,000 blocks, are an accumulation phase. But 2024 halving block 840,000 is in bull market phase. So we have been front running, but the market was not ready to go up yet." He makes a good point there. And when asked, is his prediction for an average price of $532,000 per coin in October and November 2025, he says still hold water, or held water. The stock to flow inventor didn't waver. PlanB remains steadfast, confidently asserting that the Bitcoin price will surpass $500,000 per coin next year in 2025. "If you'd like to see $500,000 biddy, holla at your boy." Quoting him here. "Yes, I still expect greater than 100,000 in 2024 and greater than $500,000 per coin in 2025. Note, this $500,000 projection is based on stock to flow and subject to a wide $250,000 to $1 million prediction range. So I would also consider 300,000 average is valid, or $700,000, etc. And as Bitcoin continues its journey post-fourth halving, the Bitcoin predictions from PlanB reflect the optimism and cyclical tendencies that define the crypto markets. Even with an early arrival of the bullish conditions, PlanB's unwavering confidence in the stock to flow model suggests he still sees major price milestones ahead. And as 2024 progresses, the crypto community watches these forecasts closely, anticipating what could be groundbreaking shift in the Bitcoin valuation. Now for all the posts, yo. These are just more recently. I'm going to read them all to you. Let's start here. Again, this is from PlanB. "The issue with the current Bitcoin market, in my opinion, it went into the bull market too early. Normally, the halvings are in accumulation phase, but 2024 halving is in the bull market phase. So we have been front running, but the market was not ready to go up yet." And he makes a good point. This is the first halving. We just had our fourth halving on April 19th. And this is for the first time we hit the all-time high pre-halving. That's right. The current all-time high for Bitcoin we eclipsed back in mid-March. Price discovery is currently sitting at 73.8. So in order to hit a new all-time high, we got to break price discovery. So this cycle is most definitely different. Also, the previous cycle when we hit the 69,000 all-time high back on November 10th of 2021, that was driven purely from retail. This cycle thus far has been driven from institutional FOMO, BlackRock, asset management, 20 billion assets under management for the Biddy ETFs, which started trading January 11th, almost 7 months ago, family. So another post he shared, "Yes, I still expect greater than 100,000 per Bitcoin in 2024 and greater than 500,000 per Bitcoin in 2025. Note, this 500,000 is based on the stock to flow and subject to a wide $250,000 to $1 million prediction range. So I would also consider 300,000 average as valid, or 700,000, etc." And he also shared these tweets specifically today. "The issue with current Bitcoin market, in my opinion, it went into the bull..." Oh, did I read that one already? Here's the one I meant to read. "Average Bitcoin price 2020-2024 halving cycle was 34,000, a bit below the 2019 stock to flow prediction of 55,000, but still in normal range and not bad given Bitcoin 4,000 when the prediction was made. Stock to flow refit with the new data since 2019. Now pay attention. Shows similar parameters and results. Average, check it, 0.5 million, which is $500,000 between 2024 and 2028. And he's also projecting, according to the stock to flow, $4 million Bitcoin between the year 2028 and 2032, which is the epoch of the next halving cycle. So for this halving cycle, he's ultimately suggesting we're going to hit around $500,000, and that's the average. It could be anywhere, again, from $250,000 to $1 million. So on average, he's ultimately saying we're going to sit at roughly 500,000 per coin between 2024 and 2028. Following having Epoch, we can be between $4 million, which is fantastic because that is like 8x from the previous. So do you think and I'm getting these gnats out of my face, do you think that we could potentially do an 8x from one cycle to the next? If so, man, game on. I can't freaking wait. And what are your thoughts surrounding some of these price projections from the infamous Plan B of the stock to flow model? Can you foresee 100,000 still in play for this year, 2024? Yay, nay? Let me know. 1 million, here we come, says Paul. And welcome to the Q&A segment of the live show.